Item number 40.
Item 40.
Before my learning field starts my own. I know what is going to place.
Oh, you anticipated it?
Yes, but because
We
we
have
have
all
already supplied.
We have all
TT
anticipated
matter.
it.
Yes.
At the Act under
Just
TT
a
matter,
He has
whether
supplied. Just
prior teachers appointed prior to commencement of Act shall have to acquire TT for promotion or not. Now the Supreme Court judgment is
Yes.
that K, madam, flag K.
Within
Flag K, madam, I have.
within 2 years,
Yes, madam.
what would you
And
like
here
to
the-
submit?
I think Justice Datta has.
Yes,
delivered
we have-
judgment.
Yes, madam.
A copy of the judgment of Honorable Appeals Court has been supplied to us yesterday, containing 110 pages. Let us go through that. We must be given some help. Building paper.
Madam,
Just to go.
Now the
Yes,
prior
madam.
judgment, if you go through it, talks about that, you can't get away from that.
Yes, madam. I know.
You'll have to pass the TT examination. And the timeline is given that within a certain period, you'll have to come.
Oh, yes, sir. That
You complete,
you
you
no, madam.
are not thrown out. You have been given an opportunity to pass the TT examination.
Yes, madam.
Yes. And madam,
His facial expression says that he is in dilemma. Still in dilemma after the Supreme Court judgment.
No, madam.
No sense of respite, no sense. Is still in dilemma.
no, madam, you will not have filed it. It is flag K, madam. It has come and we have served.
But
Copy,
for bringing to the notice, we add a notice.
Madam.
It actually gives us some reasonable time. Just
Yes, they are, madam,
Only
they are
for
non.
the purpose of reading.
Ma'am.
You go.
Yes, yes.
You know the
Yes, madam.
law declared.
Yes. What we wanted
to
to
satisfy ourselves.
Monday.
Madam. 2 p.m. Monday, madam.
This matter.
Madam, first.
Madam, proceeding first at a good case.
No. You don't Monday.
Senior advocate is. Look at his age. You are young. You can do many things.
Yes,
You wanted some more time. So it's like whatever. I did not think it. Suppose if the judgment is not there, you would have argued for 2 days.
Madam.
We would have taken at least 10-15 days to ponder upon and then deliver a judgment. So it will consume near about 20-25 days. He's asking for 7 days. You know the fate. Yes. These young people not very reasonable. They want the
on the last occasion.
Item number 21.